Hey everyone, and welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of customer churn prediction. Specifically, we'll be exploring how Dialog Axiata, a major telecom player in Sri Lanka, leveraged the power of AI and Amazon SageMaker to tackle this challenge head-on. So, buckle up and get ready to learn how they achieved incredible results, reducing churn rates and boosting their business. Let's face it, the telecom industry is fiercely competitive. With so many options available, keeping customers happy and loyal is crucial for any telecom company. And that's where understanding and predicting customer churn becomes so important. Dialog Axiata, a leading telecom provider in Sri Lanka, recognized this challenge and decided to take action. They embarked on a journey to develop a cutting-edge solution using AI and machine learning to predict customer churn and proactively retain their valuable customers. So, how did they do it? Dialog Axiata built a sophisticated churn prediction model using Amazon SageMaker. This model analyzes a vast amount of customer data, including demographics, network usage, and even network outage information. By processing this data, the model can identify customers who are at risk of churning, and that's where the magic happens. With the power of prediction, Dialog Axiata can now take proactive steps to keep their customers happy. Imagine this. A customer is identified as being at risk of churning. Before they even think about switching providers, they receive a personalized offer or incentive to stay. It could be a discounted rate, a bonus data package, or even an upgrade to their current plan. This proactive approach has led to some impressive results for Dialog Axiata. Within just a few months, they saw a significant reduction in their customer churn rate. This not only means happier customers but also a more successful and sustainable business. Now, let's take a closer look at the technical side of things. Dialog Axiata's churn prediction solution is built on a robust architecture with two key pipelines, one for training the models and another for making predictions, also known as inference. And here's where things get really interesting. Dialog Axiata developed their own AI factory framework to manage all their AI and machine learning workloads efficiently. This framework, built on Amazon SageMaker, helps them streamline the entire process, from building and training models to deploying them in production. The AI factory also plays a crucial role in Dialog Axiata's MLOps process. MLOps, or machine learning operations, is all about automating and managing the machine learning lifecycle. By using the AI factory, Dialog Axiata can ensure that their models are continuously monitored, updated, and improved over time. One of the key components of this process is the SageMaker feature store. This is like a central hub for all the features used in their machine learning models. It allows data scientists to easily access and reuse features, which saves time and effort. Dialog Axiata's approach is also unique because they utilize not just one, but two models for churn prediction. They have a base model, powered by CatBoost, and an ensemble model that combines the strengths of multiple algorithms. This dual model strategy helps them achieve higher accuracy and better predictions. So, what can we learn from Dialog Axiata's success story? First, AI and machine learning have the potential to revolutionize the way businesses operate, especially in competitive industries like telecom. Second, using the right tools and platforms like Amazon SageMaker and the AI Factory framework can make a world of difference in terms of efficiency and effectiveness. If you're interested in learning more about how AI and machine learning can benefit your business, be sure to check out the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to All About AI Tech for more exciting insights into the world of AI. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.